Hello friends, in this class I am going to discussing about another named reaction, that is Michael addition reaction. Now I give you a definition of this Michael addition reaction and its mechanism, and I give you a few applications of this Michael addition reaction. Now we are going to definition of this Michael addition reaction. This is the definition of Michael addition reaction. Now definition: in this reaction, when alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is treated with active methylene group in the presence of base and it forms an addition product, it is known as Michael addition reaction. Simply, what is the definition of Michael addition reaction? Simply, in this reaction, when alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl containing compound, containing compound which is treated with active methylene group, that active methylene group in malanoic ester in the presence of base, it forms an addition product. Simply, now we can see the reaction of this Michael addition reaction. This is the reaction. This is the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, that is ketone, alpha beta unsaturated ketone which is treated with malanoic ester, this is the active methylene group. In the presence of base, it forms an addition product is formed. This is known as Michael addition reaction. This is the definition of Michael addition reaction and its reaction. Now we can see its mechanism of Michael addition. What is the mechanism of Michael addition reaction? How mechanism? Initially, you can take in the first step, that is active methylene group, that is malanoic ester CH2 COO. This is the malanoic ester active methylene group which is treated with base and it removes ethanol. It forms a carbanion is formed. In the first step, initially we can take malanoic ester, that is active methylene group. It forms a carbanion intermediate in the first step. In the second step, we can take another reactant, that is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, that is alpha beta unsaturated ketone, you can take in the second step. Here this double bond is migration here. Double bond is migration here. It forms a carbocation. H double bond, C bond minus CH. Here a carbocation is formed in the second step. In the first step, it forms a carbanion. These two are combination. In the third step, before two steps, combination takes place. That is CH2 plus bond CH double bond C bond O minus CH3, which is treated with carbanion COO twice. This carbocation, this positive charge attracts this negative charge. It forms this type of addition reaction. Then this reaction which is treated with base and it forms our required product, that is addition reaction, that is CH2 bond CH COO Pt twice. Here is negative charge migration here. This negative charge migration here, and this double bond is migration here. Then it forms our required addition product is formed. So double bond go C double bond or CH. This is the our required product addition reaction. This is the mechanism of Michael addition reaction. Now we can see the applications of this Michael addition reaction. Applications of Michael addition reaction. Applications. Simply we can take initially reactant that is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, we can take alpha beta unsaturated carbon compound which is treated with malonylic ester, that is CH2COO. This is active methylene group. This is malonylic ester which is treated with base. It forms an addition product. It forms an addition product, that is this type of addition product is formed. Now second application of Michael addition reaction, we can take reactant that is alpha beta unsaturated ester. In the second application, we can take reactant that is alpha beta unsaturated carbon material compound, that is alpha beta unsaturated ester. C double bond O. This is the alpha beta unsaturated ester which is treated with active methylene group COO Pt twice. Which is treated with base. The presence of base, it forms an addition product, that is C double bond OE. Okay, this is the addition product. These are two applications of Michael addition reaction. Okay, I hope you can understand this addition reaction, that is definition of addition reaction and reaction mechanism and its applications. I hope you can understand these are all. Thank you.